Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you my custom design camera mount for the Turbowing CYCLOPS 3 DVR cam. I've designed this mount to be attached to the KINGKONG ET115, but this might be compatible with the ET100 as well as the ET125. I'm not sure. So the idea, as you can see, that you put the camera in there like so. Just slide the camera in there and maybe secure it with some tape, and you move the camera mount. You align the camera mount with the screw hole that it's already in the carbon fiber body, like so. And then you basically it's secured by the top canopy that goes on top like that, and it secures completely the camera mount. So it should be fairly easy to do, fairly easy to mount. And let's see, I'm gonna 3D print this, and then let's see how it works out. If you're interested in this camera mount, I will put the link to Thingiverse in the description below. You can go and download it for free, print it out and try. So here it is. This is printed in nylon, and as you can see, I was able to mount it fairly easy, and it mounts like that, and there's a screw there to secure it, so it mounts pretty nicely. And this is the CYCLOPS 3 camera. I changed the wire with this, I think it's a PH 1 or 1.25. It's very small, because I'm going to use with this battery here. This is, I'm not sure how many amps this battery is, but it's very small and flat and light. So I'm going to use this, and so I'm going to insert the camera. Let's see if I can put it in like so, and should be fairly easy to put in. Just a little pressure there, and just like that. So the camera, it's in place. Let me remove the lens cap there. So the camera is in place, and you should be able also to insert the SD card like that. And yeah, so that's pretty much how it looks. So and the idea is basically, so you're gonna put the this flat battery here, and this battery, by the way, was harvested from a box goggle, from the Eachine VR006 box goggle that I have. Then you put the cable in there and you connect it, and it should work. So something like that. Yeah, as you can see, the light turns on. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. The light turns on, and then on top of it you put your the drone battery, and you get this sandwich like that. And the reason why I didn't connect the camera directly to the battery is because I've tried once, and I've noticed some problem with the performance of the drone, and the camera was turning off every time I was doing like full throttle. So there it is, and let's go out and give it a try. Alright, so I'm gonna try it out, the camera mount that I 3D printed. It's a nice weather, but it's very windy today, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I hope I'm not gonna crash or lose it. So let's remove the camera lens protection thing here, and yeah, let's see. Here's the double battery. One it's don't know if you can see it. One is just a sandwich of batteries in there, so it has to cope with the wind and with the extra weight. So we'll see how it performs, and wish me luck. Okay, so damage report. That was a horrible crash, and as you can see, the propeller is broken. The propeller guard is broken, and here I broke the camera, and there it is. This is the camera lens that is gone, broken, and this is what's left of the mount that I 3D printed. So there's a piece in there. So yeah, completely destroyed camera. That was a terrible crash, and yeah, great. Okay, so about 10 days have passed since the crash. As you can see, I still have the aftermath of the crash. These are the pieces that I could recover. It was very sad day. So what I did, I ordered other two Turbowing CYCLOPS 3 cameras. Hopefully this time I'm gonna have a little bit more luck, and also I have 3D printed other two camera mounts, since unfortunately the one that I printed the first time was completely destroyed. And yeah, I'm gonna be mounting the same way, and also I had to try to fix the prop guard here with a little bit of heat shrink. I don't know if this is gonna last, but there is it. And here it is. So I've mounted it, and actually the white one, I actually like it better. It kind of fits the color scheme of the quad a little bit better, but it doesn't really matter. So here it is, and I'm ready for the take 2, and hopefully this time it will survive. Maybe, I don't know. I really want to try and see how it goes. So let's see. Let's go out and try. Alright, so there it is. I'm ready to test the again the camera mount with the camera. I'm at this lovely park here. Not many people, actually no one is here pretty much. So yeah, let's see if I can manage this time to not crash, and wish me luck. So this is the raw footage from the camera. As you can see, there's a very strong fisheye distortion there, and the colors are not great. I mean, the sky is fine, but so everything kind of tends to be a little bit too blue for my taste. So I'm gonna show you. This is still the raw footage, and I'm gonna show you how it looks after I do some correction in post-processing. And here it is. So I think it looks much better.